Samsung just dropped a futuristic game-changer in home entertainment. Meet the Premiere 5, a triple laser ultra-short throw projector that lets you control content with your fingers. Yep, it's touchscreen capable. And it's not a concept, it's here. Unveiled in Korea and showcased at CES 2025, the Premiere 5 isn't your average projector. With its sleek design and compact form, it already scored the 2025 IF Design Award. But the real magic? An integrated infrared camera and laser module that turns your table into an interactive touchscreen. Imagine projecting your favorite mobile game and using your fingers to play it, like a digital board game come to life. Thanks to infrared tracking, the Premiere 5 introduces a whole new way to interact with content. And the specs back up the experience. Full HD 1080p native resolution, triple laser light source, ultra short throw, just 43 centimeters for a 100-inch screen, vision booster that adjusts brightness and color in real time, 560 lumens brightness with auto keystone correction for perfect alignment. Gamers, you're in for a treat. With ALLM Game Motion Plus, Super Ultra Wide Game View and Hue Sync, this projector brings console-level immersion to your table or wall. But it doesn't stop at games. With SmartThings built in, the Premiere 5 becomes your smart home hub, letting you control lights, air purifiers, and more. It supports Bixby, Samsung TV mirroring, and even Apple AirPlay. And for sound, you're getting 10-watt built-in speakers with Dolby Atmos, all packed into a surprisingly small frame. In Korea, it's launching at 1,990,000 won, around $1,385 USD. Far more affordable than Samsung's $5,499 LSP9T model in the US. No global release just yet, but this one's definitely worth keeping an eye on. Whether you're a gamer, a movie lover, or a tech enthusiast, the Premiere 5 is redefining what a projector can be, like if you'd want one in your setup. Drop a comment. Would you use a touchscreen projector? And hit subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.